Welcome back to the show. It is still the afternoon drive on Silver Bush Rhythm 93.7 FM Just. We've been here since 2 p.m. and we've got a few minutes before we leave the show. But before then, I am no longer alone in the studio. I'm joined by a very special person. This person is all looking dashing and all of that, all the way from school straight to the studio. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're looking very, very sharp.
Thank you.
Where are you? What's the name of your school?
Pickfield Academy.
Oh, okay. Before we delve into the interview proper, let me ask you a very few questions so that you'll be calm. I don't want you to be tensed because I want you to tell us everything, concerning your project. So what is your favorite color?
Black and purple.
Black and purple. Why black? That is actually my favorite color. So I don't want any other person repping it. So your favorite color is black and purple. What is your favorite meal?
Fried rice.
You don't like swallow?
No.
Why? You don't like pounded yam? You don't like semo? Just fried rice. Okay, so what's your favorite subject in school? Because I can see that you're still in your school uniform.
Yeah.
Coming from school. So what's your favorite subject?
Mathematics.
So you're smart. I'm going to ask you a very few questions. 1 + 1.
2.
Okay, 5 + 5.
10.
That's all I honestly know. I'm not really good at maths like that. So what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be an astronomer.
What? Say that again.
Astronomer.
What do they do?
They study about outer space.
Outer space. So you would like to, go to outer space someday. You're not afraid of heights.
Kind of afraid of heights.
You're kind of afraid of heights, but you still want to go to space.
No, I want to stay in Earth and study about space.
Okay. You want to study about space here, but you don't want to. All right, so I understand that you have a project that an invention that you have worked on. I honestly don't like mosquitoes. Like, I hate the fact that I have to go to the hospital to treat malaria like almost every time. And I've been praying, that someday there'll be like an invention where we just get rid of the mosquitoes around our surroundings. Like, I don't even want to see a single mosquito at all. So I have learned that you are working on something to get rid of the mosquitoes around our society and community. So can you tell us about this project?
It's called Ovillanta mosquito trap. It's like a tire that prevents mosquitoes, especially female mosquitoes, those mosquitoes that like lay eggs, and that's it. Can
you say that again, because I honestly didn't get it? You said it's a mosquito trap called
Ovillanta mosquito trap.
Okay, so what inspired this invention?
So basically, like in my school, most of my classmates or students, they take leaves from school because of the mosquito of malaria, and so it inspired me to make like a mosquito trap, because that way, like malaria will be prevented in the society, and all my classmates will be healthy.
So how does it work, the mosquito trap? How does it work?
Like how to make it?
Yeah.
So you'll need like a discarded car tire. You'll have to cut it in half.
Okay.
Horizontally.
A discarded car tire?
Yes.
Like we'll cut it into half?
Yes.
Okay.
And you have to like put a hole below the tire.
Okay.
Then you have to get a PVC pipe.
Okay.
Then you have to attach it to the tire using PVC glue.
Okay.
Then, like at the end of the PVC pipe, you have to attach a ball valve.
Okay.
Using PVC glue again, and basically you have to like put it in your backyard of your house and just put water on it and filter papers on the side of it.
Okay.
And yeah, that's it. And
so like, where do I place it? Do I just place it like any random place? Or there's like a specific area, like I place it close to the door? Yeah, or where backyard?
Yeah, backyard is like the best one.
Okay, the backyard.
Yes.
And then like how does it work? The mosquitoes just come in and then lay the eggs there?
Yeah, they lay the eggs in the filter paper.
Okay.
And they like put their hormones in the water.
Okay.
So that's what like tell other mosquitoes that's a safe breeding site.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. That's honestly interesting. Do you like have one at home?
Yes, we have one.
Can I get one?
Sure.
But I don't have money. I don't think I can afford it. Like, you give me for free?
Okay.
You're saying this on radio, like a lot of people are listening. Did you really hear that? She said she's going to give me one for free. Okay, I am so sorry. We didn't even talk about yourself, who you are, your name, and your background. So can you tell us about yourself?
My name is Nivedita Jayachandran.
Okay.
I'm an Indian and I'm 12 years old.
12?
Yes.
You look taller than me. Ouch. Okay.
And I study in JS3.
Okay.
And yeah, that's it.
Do you have a favorite sibling? Is this your only brother?
Yes, my only brother.
Just two?
Yes.
So, between your mom and your dad, who do you like? Who's your favorite parents? Don't worry, they're not going to beat you. Nobody's going to touch you. Okay. I think we'll come to the end of the interview for today. But before we leave, can you? I heard that you have a YouTube channel. What is the title so we can follow you?
Yeah, it's NavaNivaShow.
NavaNivaShow. Can you spell that for us?
NavaNiva Show.
Can you spell it again?
NavaNiva then show.
Okay. Are you on any other social media platform? Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok?
No.
I think you should get a TikTok account because TikTok is where everything is happening right now, and then you can easily blow on TikTok. So mommy and daddy, please, can you get her a TikTok account? All right, do you have any shout outs to give before we leave?
No.
You're not giving shout outs to your parents.
Shout out to my brother and my parents for helping me make the project.
Okay, what's your brother's name?
His name is Navneet.
Your parents' name?
My mom's name is Jija.
Okay.
My dad's name is Jayachandran.
Whoa, can you pronounce it again?
Jayachandran.
Can you pronounce that? I honestly cannot even pronounce it. Can you say that again?
Jayachandran.
Jayachandra. Oh, cool. You don't have friends you want to give a shout out to?
I want to shout out to my two close friends.
Okay.
Grace and Margaret.
You don't want to give a shout out to me?
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to you because of having me here to say this.
It's a pleasure. You can always come around. Okay, his name is DJ Valley, so you can give a shout out to him as well.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for coming on the afternoon drive, and I honestly love your project because I just cannot wait, to get rid of mosquitoes in our community so that all of us can be malaria free. Thank you so much for coming on the show, and I wish you nothing but the very best because honestly, you're looking sharp, and I love smart children. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
No problem. Thank you.
We'll be back shortly. Please stay with us.